In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your microphone not working when using ChatGPT. If you've been trying to communicate using your microphone and have encountered problems, this guide will walk you through the steps to rectify it. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This will be your starting point. Once Google is open, type ChatGPT into the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see a list of results. Find the official ChatGPT website in these results and click on it. This will redirect you to the ChatGPT platform. Now, while you're on the ChatGPT page, look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice 3 dots, often referred to as the menu or More Options button. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on that as well. With the Settings page open, your next step is to find the Privacy and Security tab. Click on that, which will lead you to additional options. One of these options will be Site Settings, which is what you need to select next. Now that you're in the Site Settings menu, look for your recent activity. You should see ChatGPT listed there among the sites you've recently visited. Find ChatGPT in the list and click on the arrow next to it to expand the options. You're getting closer now. In this expanded menu, locate the section called Microphone. This is crucial. Your microphone settings might be the reason for the problem. Click the arrow next to it. You'll have some microphone-related permissions to adjust. Once inside, you'll see an option to allow ChatGPT to access your microphone. Make sure this is selected. If it was previously not set to allow, this could have been causing the issue. After changing this setting to allow, it's a good idea to completely close and relaunch your browser tab. Simply look at the top of your browser tab where ChatGPT is open and click the small X to close the tab. Then, to ensure changes take effect, reopen your browser tab. You'll need to head back to Google, type in ChatGPT as you did before, and re-enter the ChatGPT site. By doing this, you're starting fresh with the updated settings in place. Now, with the microphone permission granted, your ChatGPT experience should be back to normal. If you've followed these steps, you should be able to use your microphone without any more hitches. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped clear up any issues you were facing.